Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 1969 Chevelle. She's got a big block under the hood, and as you can see, the top goes down. Absolutely gorgeous restoration on the car. Beautiful chrome, beautiful grille. All the body lines are looking sweet. Body work on the car is phenomenal. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. Great looking lines on this car. Love the color. Love the wheel and tire combo on it. You can see those body lines on the door. Looking sweet, nice and flush here. Nice and flush here also. Doors are operating nice. You can see all the door lips here nice and clean. They left the latch out when they did the restoration. The rubber looks good. The door panel's in beautiful shape. And yeah, it's a 4-speed too. We got great looking dash. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear, and there's actually 3 seat belts back here in the back. Now, if you want to check out pictures of the car with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. There'll be plenty of pictures with the top up on the car. Of course, I'd never put the top up on this baby. I'd only be driving it on sunshiny days. You can see the everything on the dash is looking sweet. All the chrome looks good. All the color looks good. The center console's looking sweet. Love the chrome ball on the Hurst shifter there. She's a beauty, guys. Big block power under that hood. Paint is shining, looking sweet. Bezels on the taillights looking good. Chrome on the back bumper looking great. Now I got one key to choose from, so wish me luck. Hey, it worked. Look inside the trunk here. Looking sweet here. Trunk floor looks good. Always check the wheel wells. Back sides of the quarters are nicely coated. We got a spare tire jack in here. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. Gutter system here around the deck lid openings also nicely painted. When you look down the passenger side, straight as an arrow. No dents, dings. Beautiful. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment cars whatsoever. That means we own all of our inventory. Right now we have a little over 200 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. We buy anywhere between 40 and 50 new units every month. So make sure you watch us on Facebook, Instagram, and our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now, if you want a close-up picture of anything, call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now, I've been doing this about 35 years, and I'm using all that experience to help you pick your dream car. All right, here we go for a ride in our 69 Chevelle. Top goes down, motor is big, and it's got a 4-speed, guys. She is gorgeous too. Love the color, restorations over the top, just a beauty. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this beauty anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you, just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. And if you want help with financing, he can help you out with financing too. We got 4 different bankers we're working with right now on a daily basis who make it really easy. It only takes about 15 minutes with them on the phone, and we'll get you all hooked up and get this dream parked in your driveway so you can head out to the car show, go get some ice cream, just go show off, make it your daily driver, whatever you want. Now look down here on the dash, all the gauges are working, the speedo's working, the tach's right here in the center, all the other gauges are working. Now it does just have the AM radio in it, and it is making that AM noise. 4 speeds feeling good, driving awesome. She's a beauty, guys. Now we are right outside the Motor City, and we are very close to the airport. Even though we do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the internet, we do invite you to come visit. We don't get a lot of our customers coming in, but please come on in. We'd love to have you. We encourage you to come see them. Send an inspector if you'd like. Send your brother-in-law if you'd like. If you're in town on business, we'll come down to the airport and pick you up. We're open on Saturdays if you want to make a road trip out of it. Come on in. And now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're going to pop the hood, see what's making the power under the hood. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So stick with us. We're going to get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath the Chevelle now, and you can see the bottom side's nice and clean. We got a brand new tank, great looking floor on the trunk here, brand new bushings, good looking exhaust, looks brand new. Drop downs look good. This is something you need to look at on every car. 256 gear, and it is an open rear end. Looks like a newer shock, looks like brand new drums here on the brakes, and the guys will pull the drum brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. The mufflers look new. The frame looks like it's got a beautiful coat of paint on it. It might even be powder coat. I'm not sure on that. The floorboards are nicely painted. Looks like the parking brake cable's brand new. The brake cable or the brake line is brand new. The fuel line is also brand new. The transmission is not numbers matching. It is an M22. We do have a factory correct bell housing here, and it does have the standard clutch linkage on it. The lower control arms are all painted up. It looks like the ball joints are new. The disc brakes look like they're all rebuilt. The springs look like they're new. The sway bar, the bushings, the front frame horns are nice and straight. The core support looks good. The front bumper also looks like new chrome. We've got a good looking wheel here, all nicely painted. The tires are also in good shape. 215 65 15s. The wheel wells are also nice and clean. The wheel lip moldings look good. The bottom sides of the front fenders here, I always try to get a finger in there, check out, make sure they're in good, nice, smooth metal there. You can see the nice paint on the frame. Always check out the pinch weld on the car. Look at the paint work on the bottom side of the rocker. I always run my hand down the back side of the rocker also. You can see out back here, 235 60 15s back here. The lips right here also look good. The wheel lip moldings also look good. Just beautiful. Let's get under the hood. Under the hood here, we got a 454. It's got a quadrajet carburetor on it. It's got power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. Firewall's nice and clean. Inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. All the paint work in here looks great. They've got the hinges here have got bare metal paint on them, looking sweet. Everything about the car highly restored. All the hoses look new. All the clamps look correct to be factory. Looks like it's got a factory intake on it. Bottom side of the hood's nice and clean and nicely painted. This is one beautiful car, guys. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.